Welcome to Astronics and Corporation. Using the Astronics software factory, we are going to build a customized business report of the employee management system. The input data of this report will be coming from the app series of the employee management system. The input data can also come from the different systems like SAP, ERP, CIM, and so on. The system will generate the report in the following 5 steps. Step 1. Upload report in .dot and XML format. This is the report which we are going to upload. Go to the file, save as .dot and XML format. Now go to the project report, then project report import, browse the dot format, submit, browse XML format, submit. Step 2. Browse the project, name the GUI and set field type. I browse the project employee management system, set the GUI title and all details and field type combo box here and click save. Step 3. Build system. Go to the project generate, system building, employee management system, home page, build. System build success. Step 4. Compile system. Click employee management system, compile. Database, it's great, your report is successfully generated. Step 5. Working system demo. Now it's time to test our real-time working system. Click employee management system, then demo. And now I enter the detail of the employee ID. This successfully get added. If you want to delete, click delete. Yes. If you want to modify, click modify. Change the ID and submit. If you want, this is how our system works. It can insert, delete or modify the details inside the report. Now we see the report, how the report is generated. Click on the name of the employees and then print preview. This is the report of the employee. Number this, job title, unit supervisor. Here you see the report in the document format of a single employee. So, in this employee management system, you can generate a customized business report. This is the report series tutorial of the Astronics Software Factory. And in today's business environment has become more and more complex. We at Astronics Corporation comes up with an idea of achieving the complex system with simple way. And the most important is the less time of generation. Using the Astronics Software Factory, you can achieve the high performance system which will satisfy your business requirement.